Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will share some interesting facts about penguins. Get ready to learn amazing things about these animals and impress your friends with these fun facts. Since penguins are birds, they don't have teeth, but they do have spiny structures inside the upper part of their beaks that help them break down their food. These birds are mostly found in Antarctica, with the exception of the Galapagos penguin, which lives north of the equator. An interesting fact is that although they are often associated with Antarctica, the ancestors of penguins were first discovered in New Zealand, Australia, and some islands in the South Pacific. Did you know that there are 18 species of penguins? The African penguin and the Galapagos penguin are considered endangered. The main threats to penguins are climate change, habitat pollution, and predators. The smallest penguin is the little blue penguin, measuring only 30.48 centimeters in height. This species feeds on small fish and shrimp. The largest penguin species is the emperor penguin, which can grow up to 114.3 centimeters and weigh up to 40 kilograms. This species can even jump as high as 2 meters. A fun fact is that fossils found in New Zealand and Antarctica suggest that 30 million years ago, there were human-sized penguins. The fossil found in New Zealand was 1.60 m tall and could weigh up to 80 kilograms. It is thought that they may have developed this size due to a lack of predators. The fastest penguin species is the gentoo penguin, which can reach speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. Did you know that a breeding population of penguins can consume up to 115,000 metric tons of fish, 1.5 million metric tons of crustaceans, and 3,500 metric tons of squid per year? During the mating season, penguins are monogamous. Later, they may or may not stay with the same partner in the following years. Both parents take care of the chicks. Penguins do not have sexual dimorphism, making it very difficult to distinguish males from females. In addition to their black and white coloration, there is also a rare type of penguin with entirely black plumage. The supraorbital gland in penguins helps filter the salt from the seawater they ingest while hunting. They then expel it through their beak or by sneezing. Penguins' flippers do not allow them to fly, instead, they have evolved for swimming. In fact, they are considered seabirds. An interesting fact is that they can see better in water than on land. Penguins molt all their feathers at the same time once a year, a process that lasts between 2 and 3 weeks. They are very social animals and live in large colonies of up to 20 million penguins. Did you know that April 25th is World Penguin Day? This date was chosen because Adelie penguins start their migration at this time. Penguins with yellow crests are called macaroni penguins. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, tell me in the comments, what is your favorite animal? Welcome to our video. We're going to explore some interesting facts about chickens. Is it true that they lay colorful eggs? Are they related to dinosaurs? How old was the oldest chicken in the world? Discover these and more fascinating facts in this video. Many people think of chickens as mere production animals that simply provide eggs and meat, but did you know these animals are also intelligent? Chickens can recognize and differentiate up to 100 faces of their own kind, as well as distinguish human faces. Their cognitive abilities are comparable to those of cats and dogs. These animals can dream. They are so social that they can develop strong emotional bonds. And if they lose a companion, the trauma can be so severe that they might even die from it. Did you know that the number of chickens in the world is 3 times greater than the number of humans? Chickens can perceive salty flavors, but not sweet ones. They live in a hierarchical social structure. Chickens and ostriches are the living creatures with the closest genetic connection to the Tyrannosaurus rex. The oldest chicken in the world lived in Michigan and died at the age of 20, far exceeding the average life expectancy of chickens, which is typically between 5 and 10 years. Chickens can see a broader spectrum of colors than humans. In fact, they can perceive ultraviolet and iridescent colors. Iridescent colors appear when a surface reflects light in such a way that the colors of the rainbow are visible. These colors can be seen, for example, in nail polish or car paint. Their unique feature is that the colors change depending on how the light reflects off the surface. These animals love running, flapping their wings, playing, and sunbathing. They are also capable of finding hidden objects. Did you know that chicks can make sounds even while still inside the egg? In fact, hens start teaching their chicks to cluck before they are even born. A curious fact about these animals is that they can lay colorful eggs. That's right, they can lay green, blue, and other colored eggs. The color of the egg depends on the breed of the chicken. Araucana chickens lay turquoise blue eggs, both inside and out. This breed comes from southern Chile and Argentina. But why do their eggs have such a unique color? It's due to a substance called biliverdin, a pigment found in bile, produced by the liver. There are also chicken breeds, such as the crowed Langshan, barred rock, and salmon faverolles, that lay pink eggs. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments, which fact surprised you the most. Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will present some interesting facts about owls. Get ready to learn fascinating things about these animals and impress your friends with these fun facts. Did you know that owls can turn their heads 270 degrees? But how is it possible for them to turn their heads so far without damaging any internal structures? Their vertebrae have 10 times more space than those of other animals, which allows the arteries to pass through. Additionally, thanks to their excellent vision, they can spot small animals even in low light conditions. They are very skilled at hunting mice and often start eating their prey from the head. Owls are also very silent birds, which helps them hunt and locate their prey. Unlike many birds, owls have binocular vision, just like humans. This means their eyes are positioned at the front of their head and not on the sides, like, for example, a cockatoo. Binocular vision allows for better perception of size, weight, and distance. An interesting fact is that, although they have very good vision, did you know their field of vision is 110 degrees? That's 70 degrees less than humans. However, their night vision is significantly superior, nearly 100 times better. Do you know which owl has the best vision? The tawny owl. A curious observation is that a hunting pattern has been noted in owls with the same eye color. It is thought that eye color may be correlated with the time period during which they are most active. Owls with yellow eyes prefer to hunt during the day. Those that hunt at dawn or dusk tend to have orange or red eyes. Meanwhile, nocturnal owls have black or dark brown eyes. Although owls are often associated with the night, not all species are nocturnal. Some examples of diurnal owls are the pygmy owl, Glossidium noma, the great gray owl, Strix nebulosa, and the northern hawk owl, Cernia oleola. While they don't have waterproof feathers and aren't known as swimming birds, owls can swim if threatened. In such cases, they use their wings to reach the shore and shake off to dry themselves so they can take flight again. They also don't usually hunt in the rain because their feathers absorb water easily. The largest owl in the world was the Ornimegalonyx, which lived on the island of Cuba. This extinct animal could grow up to 1.1 meters tall. It's unknown if it was capable of flight. Today, the largest owl species is the Eurasian eagle owl, which can reach up to 28 centimeters in length. The smallest species is the pygmy owl, at just 12 centimeters. A curious fact about owls is that they rarely build their own nests. They take over nests from other birds or use holes and cavities in trees. Unlike many other birds, owls don't typically migrate with the seasons. Did you know that owls are the only birds that don't have a crop? The crop allows birds to store food to be digested later. An interesting detail about owl ears is that, in addition to being asymmetrical, they pick up different frequencies. They use differences in tone and timing between each ear to locate their prey. Female owls are about 25% larger than males. Many of us associate owls with intelligence, but did you know there are cultures that associate them with death? This is the case with some Native American tribes. Just like in the Harry Potter stories, owls were associated with witches due to the superstition that they were used to deliver messages. There were even beliefs that witches would turn into owls to suck the blood of babies. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite animal? Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will share some interesting facts about penguins. Get ready to learn amazing things about these animals and impress your friends with these fun facts. Since penguins are birds, they don't have teeth, but they do have spiny structures inside the upper part of their